So, if you've probably been following my recent bike vlogs, I upgraded my frame to a 3D printed welser, which is the Generation 4. I was using the Gen 1 before, which is the welded version. So this is the 3D printed equivalent of my Gen 1 bike. We are headed to Cycle Project today because we will be upgrading our bottom bracket to ceramic. Okay. Cute. And then at the same time replacing the chain as well to a flat top chain so that it would look like a SRAM. Yeah, this is definitely the first update since I upgraded last 6 months ago, and hopefully you will learn something from it, you enjoy the journey, because right after this our next project is going 58. We've actually ordered a carbon fiber chain ring, so from 54 we're going 58, and once that arrives, then we will be doing a follow-up update of this bike upgrade story. Okay, so enjoy, and thank you for watching. Okay, so we are on our way na. Jeng is there. She's using a rental bike. Probably if they can finish it early, then we don't have to go back home, and we can just wait for the bike to be completed. But if not, let's see if we have to rent a bike for myself, and then we will go back home first. Okay, let's cross the street. Yeah. Holiday Inn sa left, and then train station yan nasa harapan natin. You know that you just arrived, you can actually see Wilson's, and that's Cycle Project. Okay, so we just reached the place. The shop is actually the Chongbaru Maap store. Before they put up the official Maap flagship store, there is a Cycle Project that carries the Maap apparels. So that's the street. Let's go in. Thank you. There you go. Okay, because the back door is the workshop of Cycle Project. So here we go. We're actually here. Titanium carbon siya. Ito mo yung sa 16. Yep. birth saddle. Look at the rails. It's actually part of the saddle itself. That's the profile. Hi, so we were informed that the bike is done, but in the meantime, this is our ride. Rental bikes around Singapore, and yeah, so it's not a problem to find a transportation while they are fixing your bike. So we're going to head that way. It's roughly a kilometer away from our house to Cycle Project. We're just gonna cross the street. Okay, so we are headed back to Cycle Project to collect the bike, and to go there, we just have to enter the alley. Look at that. So that's the workshop.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say